brother. On this day, I needed to get a few things from the store, and when I got home with the bags, y'all, and I opened the fridge, I was like, sis, now you know better than this. This is ridiculous. This is disgusting. It's filthy. Y'all, I pulled everything out of that fridge. I was flabbergasted at how dirty it was. Very much dusty, very much crusty. And so, yeah, I was shocked at how bad it really was, y'all. So I just took everything out, laid it out, and I knew if I did it that way that I would actually get it done, because I got kind of overwhelmed, like, sis, you really did all of this today? But yeah, I did because it needed to be done. So in the spirit of spring, again, we are going to cleanse and restore and renew the fridge. So I wanted to go through everything to see what was expired, what was still good. And I just took my time and just went through everything, read all of the condiments, because y'all know we love to hold on to things. Even if it's seasonings or something like that, we just gonna bop it on the counter a few times and we gonna use it even if it ain't no good no more. But yeah, we ain't worrying about seasonings today though. We're just gonna worry about what's in the fridge. And so I threw away everything, y'all, that was expired, like literally. My bad, sis, big brother. My apologies. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Goddess B. This is Goddess B TV, where I just be doing my own damn thing. And if you already been here before, then welcome back, beloved. I'm glad you decided to come kick it with me for a while.
Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride tonight. I gotta break free. My job knows I'll be working my nerves. Clock out at 4. Oh no, do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too lit us slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's have me go Miami. Let's have me go Chicago. Let's have me go Be more. Let's have me go Houston. Let's have me go Atlanta. Let's have me go Tokyo. Let's have me go Brazil. Let's have me go London. Let's have me go South Africa. Let's have me go Korea. Let's have me go New York. Let's have me go Toronto. Let's have me go Paris. Let's have me go Nigeria. Let's have me go DC. Let's have me go and let's just have me go. Trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, 2-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life.
When I was young, I couldn't understand, like, why the hell would my mama wake me up on Saturday morning, bright and early, to clean up the house? Like, why? Why would you do this to me, sis? Why? I've been to school all week long. I definitely get it now, though, because I'm older. I definitely get it. And a lot of times, too, as adults, especially as women, when we get in our feelings, a lot of us are clean. A lot of us will clean when we pissed off, play our Mary J. Blige or whatever it is, just because he done pissed us off. Nah, but for real, y'all. The older that I get, even more so now, when my mind is cluttered, cleaning helps me. It really helps to clear my mind and help me focus on just what I need to focus on and not things that are out of my control. So it's like, it makes perfect sense. I use my Dawn Power Wash, y'all. I use this for y'all, this is great. Since big brother, if y'all don't use Dawn Power Wash, get you some. Especially for dishes, like when things get kind of crisp and stuck to the pots and pans and stuff like that, get you some. I'm gonna speed the video up some though, y'all, because I want y'all to be able to vibe. If y'all cleaning today, just vibe, because I'm gonna play some music and we just gonna get this fridge cleaned up. And then, yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today.
till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
Big goals, and all working, man. Still at it. Slim, get it. Lost it all, made it back, that's the hustle. Fell ain't got up, man. I've been through some things, going strong, got it all off the muscle. Kill the eyes and the ears that'll judge you. And you know it's really real when you fall out of love and run out of time, but stick to the plan and follow the grind. A loyal man, high in demand, no harder to kill and harder to find. I really came from the bottom, I done built up. I be praying when you spill, so I'm sealed up. 600 hard top, let it lift up. Can't forget what God gave me the gift for, so I'ma let it all out like it's meant for. But right now by collecting the green, too fly to fall off, no clipping my wings. Keep the stats, I be stacking the rings. Let me stand up and interview after that. Oh, this here by my ear for my cataracts. Ain't that Bruce on my hill since you asking that. Off of that though, I'm still at the back though. From 27, my city to Atmo. Underground, but I'm still who they ask for. On the mic, but I'm doing it macro. Don't try that cause I still keep the Mac code. Big goals, you wanna grab it, gotta have a bit more. Know what it is, you wanna see it hit go. It ain't enough to be the one to get close, so I'ma go another level, get more, and get more, and get more. Stack it up until the money 6-4, until I think I never ever get broke. And then it's still another level, big goals. You wanna grab it, gotta have a bit more. Know what it is, you wanna see it hit go. It ain't enough to be the one to get close, so I'ma go another level, get more, and get more, and get more. Stack it up until the money 6-4, until I think I never ever get broke. And then it's still another level. Eyes in the back of my head, on the move, on the rise, no signs up ahead. I'ma push through, it's divine, it was said that it's gon' shake soon. Keep your mind on the bread, nothing changed, I done had one dream. Any mind call, get whatever they need. Hop on that plane when I wanna quick breathe. Hop in my bag if you want a 16 from the pastor, yes, it's all work, you can have the rest. They run it back and say that's the best, I'm too cold to clear them all in a half a step or lose it all in a half a breath, but who knows? All I know is I'm here for the run, and won't run away from nothing. When it get hit, they keep my head to the sky, to the sun. Even when it feel hellish, it's still a blessing. My releases get out on the road. In the wind, I get back in my mode. It's so heavily, really my medicine. Ain't too much else I can lean on the most. But I can't be too blown and too far, too deep in my getaways to forget the day that I still got a mission statement. I gotta put feet to pavement, yes sir. Big goals, you wanna grab it, gotta have a bit more. Know what it is, you wanna see it hit go. It ain't enough to be the one to get close, so I'ma go another level, get more, and get more, and get more. more. Stack it up until the money 6-4. Until I think I never ever get broke. And then it's still another level, big goals. You wanna grab it, gotta have a bit more. Know what it is, you wanna see it hit goal. It ain't enough to be the one to get close. So I'ma go another level, get more. And get more, and get more. Stack it up until the money 6-4. Until I think I never ever get broke. And then it's still another level.
organize the condiments in a way that makes sense and to make it look neater. But I don't know how long it's gonna last, y'all. I really don't. We'll see how it goes. I was pretty satisfied at the way everything came out. You know what I'm saying? Nice and clean, and everything has a good expiration date on it. It looked like the refrigerator empty as hell. But yeah. So I did go ahead and get out the rest of the groceries that I did buy, and went ahead and put things away. I've been putting it off for so long, but I really need to do the spice cabinet next. So that's probably going to be the next video. But I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.